שקדיה פורחת ושמש בזורחת, ציפורים מראש כל גג מבשרות את בוא החג. ט"ו בשבט הגיע, חג האילנות, ט"ו בשבט הגיע, חג האילנות. ארץ משוועת, הגיע עת לדעת, כל אחד איתה פועץ, בעיתים נצח חוצץ. ט"ו בשבט הגיע, חג האילנות, ט"ו בשבט הגיע, חג האילנות. תכל הר וגזע.
But we're missing a birthday. Who else do we have to give birthday cards to? The tree. Okay. Tree. How old are you today? How old are you in Shevat? What's wrong? I have an answer. What's wrong? He doesn't have a mouth. And so what else? He can't? He can't talk. Everyone put your thinking caps on. How am I going to know how many birthday cards to get to the tree? I have a surprise. It's the trunk of our beautiful tree. And the trunk of our beautiful tree is going to tell us how old the tree is. Does anyone see something interesting on my trunk? Raise your yad if you see something interesting on my trunk. Raise your yad if you see something interesting. What do you see, Ava? Ava sees circles. You want to know how old the tree is. You just have to count the circles. So, I'm going to tell you a secret. These are the circles that really belong on us. But then I started to look, and oh, when you come up and touch it, you're going to see there are so many circles. I couldn't count all these circles for you to give birthday class. So on the other side, I took a marker and I made some of the circles a little darker so we could count them and give the tree birthday claps. Do you think you guys can help me?
Yeah!
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
the tree is 10 years old. Someone guessed that. Now in real life, is this tree 10 years old? It's older. Look where